Welcome back to my kitchen faucets channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace a Delta faucet single handle valve cartridge step by step. If you're dealing with leaks or poor water flow, this fix can save you time and money. Hey there, let's get started. Tools and parts: a replacement Delta faucet cartridge, an adjustable wrench, a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, plumber's grease, a towel or rag to catch water. Before starting, turn off the water supply. You'll find shut-off valves under the sink. Turn them clockwise until they're fully closed. Then, turn on the faucet to release any remaining water pressure. Next, remove the handle. Look for a small screw under or behind the handle and loosen it with a Phillips screwdriver or Allen wrench. Once removed, lift the handle off. Now, you'll see a retaining nut securing the cartridge. Use an adjustable wrench to loosen and remove it. Once the nut is off, gently pull the old cartridge straight out. If it's stuck, use a flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it loose. Before installing the new cartridge, apply a small amount of plumber's grease to the rubber seals for a smooth fit. Align the new cartridge correctly, make sure it matches the notches in the faucet body. Then, push it firmly into place. Reinstall the retaining nut and tighten it with your wrench. Then, place the handle back on and secure it with the screw. Turn the water supply back on and slowly test the faucet. Check for leaks and ensure smooth operation. If everything looks good, you're all set. A few extra tips for a perfect repair. Tip 1. If the old cartridge is stuck, soak it with vinegar for a few minutes to help loosen mineral buildup. Tip 2. Take a picture of the assembly before disassembling to help with reinstallation. Tip 3. If your faucet is still leaking after replacing the cartridge, check the rubber seats and springs inside the faucet body, they might also need replacement. Tip 4. Always double check that the water supply is fully off before starting to avoid water spraying everywhere. That's it, you've successfully replaced your Delta faucet cartridge. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY home repair tips. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.